Rape is a crime that leaves a permanent mark on its victims, scarring them physically, emotionally, and mentally. Across the world, the gravity of this heinous act is recognized, but how each country chooses to punish those responsible can vary dramatically. In this video, we'll explore how different countries deal with this terrible crime. From life in prison to the death penalty, we'll look at some of the most severe punishments given to rapists across the globe. Let's look at Saudi Arabia. Here, the punishment for rape is a public beheading, preceded by the administration of a sedative. Moving on to India. After the 2013 anti-rape bill, offenders can face 14 years to life in prison or even the death penalty in rare cases. Moving on to France. The French are strict when it comes to rape laws, handing out 15-year sentences, which can extend to 30 years or life, depending on the severity and brutality of the crime. In China, the laws are even harsher. The sentence for rape is death, and in some cases, castration is also used as a punishment. In North Korea, the penalty is severe. Rapists are sentenced to death by firing squad. In Afghanistan, the consequences are swift and lethal. Convicted rapists are either shot in the head within 4 days or hanged, depending on the court's judgment. Egypt also imposes a severe penalty. The method of execution for rapists is death by hanging. Next, we have Israel. In Israel, those convicted of raping a woman can be sentenced to 16 years in prison. The law includes a broad definition of rape that covers other forms of sexual assault. In the USA, the approach varies. The sentence for rape depends on whether the case falls under state or federal law. Under federal law, punishments can range from several years to life imprisonment. In Iran, the punishment is extreme. Rapists are sentenced to death, sometimes by hanging, and, allegedly, sometimes by stoning. In Russia, the sentences can be shorter, but still significant. Rapists are usually sentenced to 3 to 6 years in prison, with the term extending to over 10 years depending on the circumstances. Finally, let's look at Norway. Any non-consensual sexual behavior is classified as rape, and offenders can be jailed for 4 to 15 years depending on the crime's severity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.